Hi, welcome to Slay the Spider. I'm Jim B, and I'm the creator and host of Slay the Spider. Shares of the S&P 500 are called S&P Depository Receipts, SPDRs. Spiders. Slay the Spider means I intend to beat the S&P 500 quite substantially. The week ending June 24th, 2022, the markets were up sharply, about 7%, and most sectors advanced. In healthcare, biomedical, healthcare, and drugs advanced. In media communications, all three subsectors, internets, media, and telephones advanced. In technology, all four sectors, semiconductors, electronics, software, and computers, all advanced. In consumer discretionary stocks on the bull side, restaurants, gaming, retail, and leisure advanced. On the bear side, autos and household products advanced. In the financials, insurance, banks, finance, real estate, and Wall Street advanced. Savings and loans were unchanged. In the industrials, steel and metals declined. Aero defense was unchanged. Chemicals, machinery tools, and building products advanced. Waste was unchanged. In the others group, on the bull side, precious metals declined. Textiles and protection safety advanced. On the bear side, oil and oil services declined. Transports were unchanged. Gas utilities and forest products declined. Electric utilities, business products, and food advanced. For the week ending June 24th, 2022, we had four sectors were unchanged, 29 sectors advanced, 7 sectors declined, no sectors crossed to the bear side or to the bull side. There remains 8 on the bull side and 32 on the bear side. For the week ending June 27th, 2022, the S&P 500 closed at 3911, up 237 points, or about 6.5%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at 31,500, up 1,611 points for the week, or 5.39%. And NASDAQ closed at 11,607, up 809 points, or 7.5%. This last week, 343 stocks went from sell signals to buy signals. There were no new issues. And 25% of the stocks are now on buy signals, 75% are on sell signals. Overall, the market score last week was 20. This week it's 29. For the first 25 weeks of 2022, the S&P 500 is down 17.93%. NASDAQ is down 28.21%, and energy is the best performing sector for the year, up 29%. For the first 25 weeks of 2022, healthcare is down 9.79%. Media communications is down 29.39%. Technology is down 23.9%. Consumer discretionary stocks are down 30.74 and is the worst performing sector of 2022. Finance is down 20.4%. The industrials are down 17.9%. Real estate stocks are down 21.02%. And basic materials are down 19.3%. The weekly sector performance for June 17th to 24th, 2022 was quite spectacular. The S&P 500 was up 6.5%, NASDAQ up 7.6%. Energy was the worst performing sector, down 2.6% for the week. Healthcare was the second best, up 7.8% for the week. Media communications gained 5.8%. Technology stocks were up 7.2%, third best. Consumer discretionary stocks were the very best. They were up 8% for the week. Finance gained 4.6%. The industrials gained 3.9%. Real estate was up 7.0%. And basic materials were the second worst performing sector, but still up 2.1%. For the week ending June 24th, the 10-year Treasury bonds yield ended at 3.125% after hitting highs last Tuesday of 3.48%. I expect to see the 10-year yields above 4% in July. For the week ending June 24th, West Texas Intermediate crude closed at 107.62, up 43% in 2022. Wholesale gasoline, RBOB, closed at $3.88 a gallon, up 69% year to date. Now, this is where the Russia-Ukraine war started. By the time it started, crude oil, and wholesale gasoline were up 30% for the year. So the claim that Putin and Russia are to blame for the massive increase in prices just doesn't hold water. We're up 43% on crude for the year. 30% of that was before the Russia-Ukraine war started. Subscriptions are available for $12 a month on an annual contract or $15 a month on a month-to-month contract. I've been producing the Slay the Spider Circle since 1998 and using it to manage private client assets. I've been nearly completely out of stocks for the past year. My portfolio performance is now well ahead of the S&P 500 and NASDAQ indices since I went into cash. That's the total idea behind Slay the Spider. Outperform the indexes in both up and down markets. Now is an excellent example of cash beating the market substantially. I'm looking forward to buying many of the stocks I owned previously at prices well below what I sold them for last year. I will then own more shares going forward, in some cases twice as many. Sure, there were a few stocks I wish I had kept, but in total, I'm more than happy avoiding this bear market.